Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 29th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Uxin, China's leading used car retailer. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Uxin has been making waves in the used car market in China, and their latest financial results for the quarter ended June 30th, 2025, provide some interesting insights into their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Uxin reported total revenues of $91.9 million for the quarter, marking a 64.1% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
The significant growth in revenue is primarily driven by a substantial increase in retail vehicle sales, which rose by 87% year over year. This was supported by the expansion of their superstore network, particularly the new Wuhan superstore, which has exceeded expectations in terms of sales and profitability.
Despite the revenue growth, Uxin's gross margin decreased to 5.2%. Can you explain the factors contributing to this decline?
The decline in gross margin is mainly due to aggressive promotions in the new car sector in China, which put pressure on used car margins. Additionally, the Wuhan superstore is still in its early ramp-up phase, impacting overall profitability. However, Uxin expects a rebound in gross margin in the coming quarters.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Uxin's transaction volume reached 11,606 units, with retail transactions growing by 153.9% year over year. How is Uxin managing such rapid growth operationally?
Uxin has maintained operational efficiency with an inventory turnover of around 30 days and a high Net Promoter Score of 65, indicating strong customer satisfaction. Their omni-channel strategy, combining online platforms with offline superstores, has been pivotal in achieving this growth.
Looking ahead, what is Uxin's outlook for the next quarter and beyond?
Uxin is optimistic about the future, expecting retail transaction volume to grow by over 125% year over year in the third quarter. They are also raising their full-year growth guidance to approximately 130% compared to 2024, driven by the continued expansion of their superstore network.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. Uxin's leadership has been vocal about their strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Kundai share in the earnings report?
CEO Kundai highlighted the company's sustained growth momentum, with retail transaction volume increasing significantly. He emphasized the success of the Wuhan superstore and the recent opening of the Zhangzhou superstore, both of which are expected to drive future growth. The company is confident in achieving a full-year growth guidance of 130%.
How do these strategic initiatives position Uxin in the competitive used car market in China?
Uxin's focus on expanding their superstore network and enhancing customer experience through quality products and services positions them well in the market. Their ability to adapt to market conditions and leverage their omni-channel strategy gives them a competitive edge.
Financial challenges and liquidity management. Despite the growth, Uxin reported a net loss of $9.4 million and an operating cash outflow of RMB 131.8 million. How is the company addressing these financial challenges?
Uxin is aware of the financial challenges and has a liquidity plan in place. They are focusing on increasing vehicle sales revenue, improving gross profit margins, and managing vehicle turnover rates. The company believes its current cash and cash equivalents are sufficient to meet working capital requirements for the next 12 months.
What are the key risks investors should be aware of?
Investors should consider the competitive pressure in the used car market and the impact of aggressive promotions in the new car sector. Additionally, managing liquidity and achieving profitability remain critical challenges for Uxin.